These pumpkin treats for gut health. Cats or dogs can have them. I give them to my dogs. They are chicken flavored for this one. You get a lot of them in there. It does have 10% protein, which is awesome. You can give, depending on the size of your pet, it says right here how many is recommended. You can use these for training, which is really nice because they're little and cute. And if you're working on some training with your dog, these are nice to give because it also has that salmon oil in it, the pumpkin. Here's what they look like. They're little cute paws. Shake? No. Shake? No. Good girl. Okay, you can have one. She likes them. They are pickiness approved. This girl is so picky. No. We are working on listening skills, and we are waiting and trying to train her when it's okay. These treats are super nice to, she has a little owie on her nose. These treats are super cute and nice for training. So, okay. Okay. Good girl. Good girl. Shake. Oh, good girl. So we just give positive reinforcements when she's listening and doing what she's supposed to. Good girl. Thanks for sending me these to review.